fog sits thick along the ridge. I cannot see the summit line. My boots are heavy with the mud. My hands are cold against the stone. I took a fall a mile back. My knees are bruised, my breath is thin, but standing still will freeze the blood. So I lean forward once again. Step by step up through the grave. I do not need to see the top. I feel the fire in my chest. I feel the breath inside my lungs. Every step is how we start to climb above the heavy dark. Keep on moving through the cold. The wind is sharp against my skin. It tries to push me to the ground. They said the peak was far too high. They said the weather would not break. I spent a lifetime in the dirt, just waiting for a clearer sky. I know the sun is up above, even when I cannot see the light. Step by step up through the grave. I do not need to see the top. I feel the fire in my chest. I feel the breath inside my lungs. Every step is how we start to climb above the heavy door. Keep on moving through the cold. I will not turn back, I will not give in. The mountain stands, and so do I. The mountain stands, and I will rise. Step by step up through the grave. I do not need to see the top. I feel the fire in my chest. I feel the breath inside my lungs. Every step is how we start to climb above the heavy dark. Keep on moving through the cold. Keep dreaming, keep believing, never give up. Keep dreaming, keep believing, never give up. Keep believing, never give up.